Hi there, everybody. Welcome to the match. Martin Tyler here. Alan Smith sitting alongside me.
Thank you, Martin. Looking forward to this.
Our match today is Wolverhampton Wanderers against Manchester City. Here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. Well, we think, Alan, it'll be a 4-5-1 formation, which can look a bit negative.
Yeah, but you look at the players in that midfield five, and I think a couple at least will be trying to support the lone frontman.
Manchester City's lineup today. Ilkay Gundogan plays with Kevin De Bruyne in central midfield and just one out-and-out attacker in the lineup. Off we go with the kickoff. Pablo Sarabia. Gone for the ball. Gundogan. He's spread it out wide here. Chance to get into this attack. Short passing. For Manchester City. Corner played in. Good reading of the play by the defender. Have a good chance on the pitch. Fast out here. Well, this is what you call leading from the front. A strike from the skipper.
Yeah, he's popped up at a very good moment there.
And we can see a slightly different viewpoint on it.
Pep Guardiola getting one or two messages across to his team, having seen them go a goal ahead here.
Manchester City in front.
Manchester City goal, number 17, Kevin De Bruyne.
Gomez. Guiding it through the defenders. Disappointed that that didn't lead to more. That will end the threat, at least for the moment. Another Silva. De Bruyne.
Shot, but he's got
And the credit was being in the right place at the right goal worth replaying. Restarting at 2-0. Gomez. This could lead to a chance. It's good attacking play. Can really get at the opposition here. The time to be added on here is a minimum of 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Put into the middle. Cleared away by the defender. Half-time now, and 2-0 is the score at the break. I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half?
I would be happy with that first 45 minutes. It was a good goal from him, good overall performance, actually.
Manchester City winning at this moment, but still the second half to come. Now De Bruyne. On the attack here. Under some pressure, he shielded it well. That's a corner. Sheer class, Kevin De Bruyne for you, Alan.
He is. He's managed to carve out plenty of shooting opportunities. Really has tested the keeper and got himself a goal.
Corner played into the middle. Trying to divert it in. Pablo Sarabia. Guedes. Far away, but at the moment, nearly is not good enough.
Well, if they keep on playing like they are and creating those kind of chances, they've got a great chance.
Gonzalez. It's Bernardo Silva. Zhengji. Probing away. Find room for a shot, maybe. Great header. Great save.
Oh, that was that.
From the goalkeeper.
Well, it's all about positioning and spreading his body.
Swung in from the corner. Well away from the goal. Hits the shot. Straightforward save for Edison. Now he can cross it. Coming off now is the winger who's had a decent outing. Here's Kevin De Bruyne. How the game people believe should be played.
course, but there today.
It's a close. Can find some space here on the flanks. On the pitch, they're talking about what went wrong in this defeat.
I thought, you know, one or two coasting out there. That's inexcusable.
Some final thoughts on one of the better performers today, Alan.
Yeah, top-class performance. Really good goal, and his work ethic was second to none. No wonder his teammates are happy with him.